Analyzing the stock exchanges in the Gulf region today, the Abu Dhabi Stock Index has seen a slight increase of 0.2%, buoyed by gains from First Abu Dhabi Bank and ADNOC Drilling. In Qatar, the benchmark index has risen by 0.3%, driven by strong performances from Qatar Navigation and Qatar Islamic Bank. Dubai's stock index remains stable, with Emirates NBD experiencing a slight decline while Aramex is on the rise. Conversely, Saudi Arabia's market is facing a decline of 0.3%, with Alinma Bank and Dr. Sulaiman Al Habib Medical Services losing ground, although ADES Holding is seeing an increase. Investors are eagerly awaiting U.S. inflation data for insights into the Federal Reserve's policy direction for the rest of the year.